Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and it is time to update your Microsoft Edge browser. As today we have received, as of June the 18th, the security updates for Edge. So if you go to Edge, upper right corner, 3 horizontal dots, go down to Help and Feedback and About Microsoft Edge. You will be pushed to version 149.0.4022.80, and that's as of today, June 18th. Now, if you have a Chromium browser, you should also check for your browser updates. There should be an update for security this week, as Google Chrome had about 33 security flaws, including many critical. So these are Chromium-based flaws also, probably. So most of the browsers, or all the browsers that are on Chromium, will receive these updates. So even though the blog post here on the Microsoft Edge is still not updated, I'm pretty sure these are the security flaws that are fixed for the week. So do check your browsers. It's extremely important. That's what keeps you safe. By fixing and by updating the browser, you fix the security flaws, and that means that the bad guys can't find a way to get into your PC, because all the flaws are fixed. So and all the tricks they have to try to exploit them don't work. So make sure that you update Brave, Opera, Vivaldi, whatever you're using that is Chromium based is extremely important. And of course, Microsoft Edge. And even if you don't use Microsoft Edge, I recommend that you update it so that you stay safe, because, you know, sometimes some of the links open up with Microsoft Edge, even if your default browser is something else. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.